Hey there again, YouTubers. Glocky with it here. It's time for part 2 of my series on the Glock 19, where we're going to take this handsome little pistol here to the range. We're going to shoot us some rounds. Going back to the distances I'm going to be shooting at. I'm going to be shooting from the 20-yard line, the 12-yard line, and the 7-yard line. And in addition, we're going to be doing a double and triple tap drill. Now, at the 20-yard line, we're going to do 15 center mass shots. From the 12-yard line, we're going to do 5 headshots and 10 center mass shots. And from the 7-yard line, we're going to do 5 headshots and 10 center mass shots. Now, the purpose for this is going to just see how well the shots group, from the distances. And I'm expecting the Glock 19 itself to perform very well. And for the double and triple tap drill, I just want to see how the pistol is going to handle when shooting, in a quick manner. Now, as far as the media we're going to be using for the drills and for shooting at the range, our primary round here is going to be the Federal HydroShock 115 plus P+. Now, beware. This round isn't for every pistol. They feed through Glocks fairly well from having done my research. But not every round, or not every pistol, I should say, can handle a plus P+ round. So just consult your manufacturer before trying to use this ammunition. As a matter of fact, a local agency, I have a source they were testing the Smith & Wesson M&P 9. And it actually failed at 3,000 rounds with the Spear Gold Dot Plus P. So even with the Plus Ps, not all pistols are recommended to use that round. So just something to keep in mind, so as to not damage your pistol. But this ammo will feed fine through a Glock 19. So if you do have a Glock 19, just an option available for you. But as I was saying, this is going to be the primary round we're going to be using at the range here. I was fortunate enough to actually find this at a pretty good price, so I bought 4 boxes at about 23 bucks for a box of 50. Normally retails for about 40 to 45. So I was fortunate enough to go out and be able to get this for a pretty good price. So cheap that I'm able to actually go out and use this at a range. So that's that with that. With the one 24 grain plus P Spears, I just want to take a couple of those out and see, just how the round handles compared to this, and also compared to, your standard white box Winchester. So that's going to be the plan going out to the range. So we're getting ready to go out there now, and I'll see you guys when we get there.